So hello there, I am Stone Samurai TV. I am most likely gonna have this be on another platform, video, whatever. So YouTube. So I got the Rog. Brought home a new baby today. Woo! And also got the kill switch with it too. So heard a lot about this good stand and stiff. So alright. Honestly, I am like excited with the new ROG here. It's like of course, I'm always Xbox. So this is not the Xbox Ally X. It's the base model. It's the 7. So, but that's fine with me, man. Oh, that's all I need right now. That's all I need is my mic right now. And what the hell, PC? Oh, it's everyone that's liking my photo on. Oh, another person on fucking Instagram. All right, everyone keeps liking my Instagram picture, but okay, all right. Thank you for liking it on Instagram and stuff. It's like there's a bling bling. Yes, that over there. That's that's where that's my Instagram. Yeah, people like that over there. So all right. Anyway, let's open this up. I'm very excited. So I could play Steam games on this, and I was looking at like a lot of like games like that I can play anywhere. So that means I can play MK1 because I saw in like freaking I looked at it. It's like yeah, I can play MK1 anywhere. So I can play this at work, I guess. So I guess I'm just gonna have to see how it is with the kill switch here. It's giving me like a lot of good thing. Like it's like all this shit. I like how fancy it is with this though, but it's literally the stand, the grip, and all the other stuff. But either way, let's open this up. Here we are with the Ally 7. So we're gonna open this up. Just like place place it right here. Like I want to like really try to give a good camera angle. See the camera right there. Probably move you a little bit more so you can see more of me. See, look at that. It's better. We're doing better. We're doing better on this. So here we are. Man, I want to put you aside. Man. All right. Whoa. Let's take a look at the ROG. Oh, come on. Open up for me. I'm just taking because like there's one big giant box, like it's like a shoe box, sort of though. Let's see. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at this. I got a Rogo. Boy. Ooh, let's take a look at this. Like, I'm curious about like all this shit. Because it's like I know I can connect my Xbox controller with it. I'm gonna have Xbox on the go from now on. Oh. Freaking I'll be able to play Minecraft, I believe, on the go. Though, but it's like there's games I'll only be able to like I'll be able to play it though, but like by wireless. I'm like, ooh. But either way, I guess I'll have to get a stronger. Oh, here's the stand. I was wondering. So it does come with a little plastic stand. It's plastic. Kind of like, like that plastic that you would get from like your sodas for from like McDonald's for your combo and shit like that. Like where the things where the cups go in. Yeah, it's kind of kind of reminds me of that. That's nice. I'm glad I got the kill switch. Ah, okay. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay. Oh, this is sexy. This is sexy. It's telling me all the stuff in other languages I don't fucking know. Yeah. Okay. All right. Well, I'm pretty smart at like. Okay. It's telling me where I can charge it, which is like, you know, probably gonna give me a charger. Oh, oh, let's open it together. Oh, oh, look at that. Ay, Poppy. Ay. Oh, oh, God, don't pull it out too fast. Oh, God, it's sensitive. Oh, it's sensitive. Don't pull it out too fast. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, look at this. Look at that. All right. Pull that. There's like this shit's like. There's all kinds of like I got it's like this. Okay. Oh, okay. So now I'm able to. Oh, now I'm able to. Okay, I can just pull that one. That didn't matter. Woo. Okay. Oh. Woo. Look at that, dude. So clean. So I got the 1-year warranty on this. I'm gonna love this. So I guess that so the Xbox Ally, the D pad can switch. Like you can, I don't know how. I can't do it with this though, but this is nice. Oh, oh, all right. Oh, here's the charger. Okay. Hey. So I'm guessing I'm gonna have to let this charge anyways. You know what I mean? Oh, dude, this is so nice. I haven't. Oh my god, the OLED screen. All right. Oh, what's this extra box? There's like boxes upon boxes and shit. And oh, this that's just empty. Oh, it's a manual. Oh, okay. So it comes with a little manual telling you, hey, you should probably you know, precautionaries. Oh, there's a serial number for it. Okay, that's gonna help me. So I should probably keep this. So I guess if I wanna, so I'm supposed to trust this stand, which it does its job. I guess it's like, eh. Oh shit, so good. It does its job. It's cool. All right, so it's telling me I have to. Well, of course I know I have to start charging something brand new, kind of like a new phone. And it's like freaking. I think I've had to do that so many times where it's like you can't even use your brand new phone yet until like it's fully done charging. But I guess that like with something like Apple or whatever in general, you know, you don't have to charge it while it's off, or it doesn't charge while it's off, so it's like it's always on and it's like on as soon as like you get it. And then, but that's iPhone though. But I want to open up this now, so we'll do that. But let's take a look at the let's stand here, man, because it's like I wanted to upgrade my stand and all that stuff. Like I didn't want like the regular like freaking like this is just cardboard, dude. Like this is literally like feels like the shit from McDonald's. Like for your cups. For your drinks, bruh. Alright. So nothing miraculous with this. Though, but come on. I think some people thought I was actually bringing home a new baby. And I feel like maybe some people thought I may be. But this is my baby. Oh, what's... Oh, look at this. Okay. Whoa. What is that? It's the barcode? Just the barcode, I guess. Or just the... Okay. Serial number. The stand. So this has a cover for it. So in case of like... This fucker has a cover. I can cover my screen if I want. Watch the video first. What video? Okay. I'll watch a video first. Okay. See, this is what you make me do. Alright. Oh, the kill switch. Okay. Tell me how to put it on. Okay. Oh, hold on. God damn it. Shit's going sideways over here for me. So... Here, let me go get a cloth then. Okay. That's what these are? Stick grips? Huh? What? The fuck are you talking about? That didn't come in here. No, no. Okay. Fuck me. Oh, fuck me then. So fuck me, huh? So the track code. The hell do stick grip? What? I honestly don't know what a stick grip's gonna do. Let me just right there. Beautiful baby. My beautiful baby you. All right. Well, holy shit, this is fucking hard. Fucking hard. Okay. Let's get shit on. So I don't have a screen protector on there. Shit. That's it, huh? Fuck, dude. I wish, like, so, like, the guy... Like, I talked to someone there, though, but I don't think he ever even sold one of these. It's just like, fuck, man. Damn, dude. All right. How does this person put it on? Okay, past the screen part. See, I didn't even get those either. I didn't get those. It didn't come with those. So oh, from the bottom. Okay. All right. So like that. What? Too far? What? Okay. I mean, like, is there such thing as too far? Okay. Oh, wait. Okay. Ah! Ah! I did it! Okay. Okay. Whoa. The tags are gone. I don't know if the audio is like. Okay.
Usable in the event you ever need to reinstall the case. Once complete,
Okay.
your kill switch should look like this. Next, let's apply the stick grips.
Looks like it.
First, remove the cardboard sleeve and choose either stick grip. They're identical.
Stick grips go.
Installation is easy. Just pop it on. If your stick grip looks like this, it's not on all the way.
What?
To fix this, just press down harder.
Oh! Oh, I could put
Repeat for the opposite side.
Oh, okay. There's stick grips in here. Okay.
Next up is the travel cover.
I thought it was just a block. I thought
On the off
was...
chance you leave your house, the travel cover can be attached to the front of your case for protection while in transit.
This little block.
To install the travel cover, just hook it around the triggers, then squeeze the bottom.
All right.
To remove the travel cover, hold the case as shown and push it off from the ribbed corners.
Okay.
Done. If you have any questions, you know how to reach us.
There we go. Hey, I got my rog all set up. All right. See, it's not that hard. It's like, it's just like, bro, like the part of putting it in right here at this point, this is a pain in the ass. It's like trying to put this kill switch together on your rog, bro. This is the part that's like more of the pain in the ass though, but it's not that bad. It's not that bad. You know, it's like putting together a rog is like just not bad at all. And like I haven't even gotten to the part where I'm gaming yet on it and stuff. And you know, hopefully I can get into that a little bit later. Hey there, I kind of wanted to like cut out like most of the video and everything because it's like it's practically from stream, and like unless if you wanted to see like fucking like 4 hours of like me trying to like fucking fuck with it though. But I got a report that like on the first day I wasn't able to get like the menu to like appear like on Streamlabs. So like my monitor, I'm like, yeah, you know, this is like I'm not like some like freaking caveman though, but just like any other caveman, it's gotten a little bit hard to like, you know, invent something like the wheel over here though. But have no fear, I have actually been able to find a way to connect said things like Steam games that, you know, which I can actually play on my ROG. I like, thanks to Let's View, I can actually get that done. So it's like, you know, there's remote play and Let's View, because you can not only connect your phone to your computer that way, like to do like emulation though, but you can do PC to PC. And I didn't want to do it that way though, but I said, you know what, fuck it, because it was either do it that way or freaking maybe take the chance on docking like technology, you know, it's like maybe like the Asus dock though. But my god, dude, it is like honestly $130, and if you want to like get it, I say go ahead and give that a try. Alrighty, so as you can see, like I said, I have been able to get Steam going. I have my other laptop connected with my ROG, and I haven't played a game on it yet though, but it's just, as you can see, it is paired with it. Like, there's a little, you see this mouse right there? Oh, it's not showing the mouse. Oh, it's showing it on the ROG though, but I guess that's just what's up though. But it's just, I guess that's just like how it is. If that's kind of weird. It like a mouse shows on my ROG though, but it's like if I look at like the screen, like it must be something with the remote play, I'm guessing though. But uh, like I got a report that's like Bruh, I don't think we need like a sort of docking station though. It's like if you get the ROG, uh, I guess Let's View is just good enough for me, though. But it's yeah, I don't know.